As we have already mentioned, Burn XT is a popular fat burner supplement sold on Amazon and from the manufacturer. The product description on Amazon says that this supplement has been scientifically formulated with a range of effective ingredients. The description on Amazon also says that Jacked Factory supplements are all made in a state-of-the-art CGMP, current good manufacturing practices, facility, so you can feel confident that the product is high quality. Like most of the supplements in this category, Burn XT combines a range of popular inclusions, including things such as caffeine anhydrous and green tea extract.